Hello and welcome to Stained Glass Gaming, where I turn video games into glass. In this video, I turn the logo from the game Watch Dogs into stained glass. The only glass I need is black, since the majority of the logo is black. To simulate the white lines, I'll be leaving the solder silver. I cut into the circle to reach the inside parts. I then tape up the part of the circle I cut out. Again, I can't seem to avoid tiny pieces, but at least I have enough scrap glass for the smaller pieces. While I was using the ring saw to cut out the inside of the circle, one of the paper points ripped off. Apparently, I had a brain fart and cut the point off because there wasn't any paper there. I didn't realize I messed up so badly until I looked at it. I had two options: either recut the entire thing, or grind a tiny piece to fit in where I messed up. I chose the grind a tiny piece option. I don't have much of the black glass left, which is why I chose the tiny piece option. I use a silver-backed foil and foil all the pieces. I had to saddle all of the corners of the inside of the logo, then foil normally. For the really tiny piece, I could only foil the sides and not the top. If I were to foil the top, the mistake would be more obvious. Since the tiny piece will be surrounded on all sides, there is little risk of it falling out if one side is not foiled. If this were an outside piece, then it would have to be foiled on all sides. I've never done this before, so it was good to try out. Foiling something this tiny was really frustrating, and I wondered to myself, why do I keep making small pieces? The solder lines are a little rough. I had trouble getting them smooth because I was really worried about breaking the tiny piece from overheating. I leave the solder silver, wash it, and apply wax. From afar, you wouldn't notice the mistake, but if you look closely, it is visible. Since the edge of the tiny piece is visible, it could be mistaken for a crack in the glass. If I make this again, I will make sure not to make such an obvious mistake. The black glass is opaque and no light will shine through. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would like to see me make down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all through the next pane.